very, very nimble. Good morning, YouTube. So I had a wonderful stay here in Lonavala. Got the much needed rest I needed. I slept well. There is another AP vehicle. Yesterday I saw TS vehicles. These people are coming all the way from Shirdi. They're from Chennai. They were very intrigued to see, TS bike, what are you doing here, blah blah blah. So anyways, I've had a great time. Lonavala, did some cornering, everything. So now heading on to Gokarna. That is the surprises I was talking about. So I just don't feel like going home yet. So I'm all happy, loaded up, fueled up, and I'm meeting my friend on the outskirts of Pune. I'm following the location he sent in maps. I'm following the map that leads to you. What the fuck? So yep, we have to keep going straight for like 30-40 kilometers. And I am charging because bike पे करंट का बिल नहीं आता. कोई बात नहीं. अरे वाह, ट्रेन चल चाहिए. I think it was shot on this train only, if I'm not wrong. I don't know. No, it was shot in Ooty. Sorry. Oh gads, the road be killing me. GTA का वाइनवुड हिल्स के पास का हाईवे दिख रहा है. हाय windmills in a distance. I actually envy these Mumbaikars now. It's like, your city is crowded and all blah blah blah, but thoda nikalte ki look at that lake over there. Look at this road. It's like I don't even want to switch off my camera at any point. And look at him, he's peeing his way to glory. What a view to pee to. भाई की निकल गई शायद व्यू देख के. मज़ा आ गया. मज़ा आ रहा है. Gangs of Wasseypur was one of my most favorite movies, and it still is. So I just took the bypass road from Pune. So if you're going to Solapur, you have to go through the city, but this bypass road leads to Hubli, and that Hubli highway, Hubli, Belgaum and all that, Goa. And I was told it's awesome, and just look at it. Outer Ring Road kaisa hai? Let's see how it is up ahead. And my friend is also waiting for me. He is I think 12 kilometers away, if I'm not wrong. Bro, this road is crazy, bro. Death Rider. जा रहे थे वो साहब 390 पे फुल कटाटा मार लेते. एंजॉय बोल के. फक लाइफ. ये ट्रक ये लोकल है भाई. So I just met Aditya here outside. What hotel is Hotel Orchid? Hotel Orchid. It's on the Pune bypass road. So I had gotten the chain looped in Mumbai, but that guy didn't have the chain spray, so he put some oil. I'm not really that happy with it, so I thought, why not go. Aditya here works with a company called Skyline Auto Solutions, so I'm gonna go there. We'll get the chain looped and all, grab something to eat, have a coffee, and then I'll proceed to Kolhapur, where I'll be meeting up with a couple of other friends, and then finally to Gokarna. Huh? Why not? So I'll be riding Aditya's bike till the garage. This thing is a beast. Like, you might get a bit scared on the Hayabusa, but this thing is nimble actually. very smooth, man. You can actually play around with it. Lovely. The first time I'm riding a 14R, I've ridden a lot of Busas. Everyone said that, this bike is better. I'm a Busa fan, so it's very difficult to convince me that this is better than the Busa. I don't know if it's better, but the power delivery and rideability is a lot more better on this bike. Doesn't scare you the way Busa does. The one important thing is I don't keep any deadlines while riding, like a lot of people do. Like, jaldi pahunchna hai, jaldi pahunchna thi. You don't ride every day, so whenever you're riding, you chill out, enjoy. And even now, even Aditya told me, come off to the garage, we'll lube the chain, grab something to eat. I was like, chalo, no problem, 1-2 घंटे आगे पीछे होंगे, but big deal. I'll get to see Pune. I'll chill for a while. ऐसा नहीं है कि वहाँ पे कोई वेट कर रहा है मेरा. I made the booking. It's all cool. Only thing, I just wanted to cross the bad roads before sunset. But he said, anyways, I'm late. So, उतना scene नहीं है, no issues. It doesn't really feel like you're riding a 200 brake horsepower bike. KTRC 2 Power L. Not sure about how the electronics work as of now. Just trying to cross through the fucked up traffic. Damn, this thing is easier to ride through traffic than say an RC390. Very, very nimble. Arre. He has an upgraded on. How sweet is that? I was expecting a measly pee. Sweet. No idea how much fun I'm having on this bike. And it's very manageable. फटरी नहीं. ऐसे तो अपनी फटती नहीं, मगर भी for a new rider, this thing is not much. Brakes are also excellent. I don't know why it doesn't have a quick shifter though. Brakes too much है इसके. My bike looks so sweet with all the luggage and all that. Doesn't feel big at all. Very nimble. I must say, you don't feel this bike's heft or size in traffic at all. It's like you just want to gum. ऐसा नफीस कटा मार लेके चले आना दिल बोल रहा. Now this bike is like a gentleman with a suit, and Busa is like this wild dude with a leather jacket and tattoos. I'm surprised this thing doesn't heat up the way the Hayabusa does. The Hayabusa it's very cool, but when you're in stop-go traffic like this, you can feel the heat from below your ass, like, onto your thighs. It feels just like a normal bike. Kawasaki is Kawasaki was.
One eternity later.
So I'm here in Pune with Aditya Bhai and Alok Bhai, and we are at Skyline Auto Solutions. It's, as of now, currently the top superbike modification, servicing, repair, everything under one roof, and they also have a lot of accessories which I'll show you. So I came here because my bike was giving me some trouble. As you can see, Bhai's 14R is parked right there. Beautiful bike, and my bike's just getting its chain cleaned and all the basic stuff, and then I'll be going Ghat route. What is the name of that ghat? Khatraj Ghat. Through Khatraj Ghat onto the highway to proceed to Gokarna. So let's have a look inside the shop, and as usual, the link to the shop, the link to the website of the shop, the location, it's down there in the description below. So we're inside the showroom. We usually have a lot of puke, whatever, however it's pronounced. The frame sliders, the protectors, tank pads, and they also have this universal windscreen. You can see it's up there. It's called the Puke Rafale. Probably I'll get it on my bike once I'm done with my visor. It's already showing signs of wear. KNN. They also deal in tires and a lot of stuff on order basis. WD-40, chain lube. I see some Bolt chargers here as well. Good collection of keychains. Helmet interior clean. I haven't seen that before. Helmets and a very nice NOS cushion. If you want to gift it to your girlfriend, she'll be happy and you'll be happy as well. So my chain was lubed, and as you all can see, it was all white. And I was like, what is this white thing? So this Bhai just told me that is this new chain lube. It's called Blue Chem. It's made in Germany, imported here, repacked, and it's very useful. He says it is dry, and you see the same has been put on this 14 hours chain. As you can see, it's still running very smooth, and I rode the bike. It's almost like you just lubed it recently. You don't get that cut sound which you generally get from the chain. So he said the lubing was done it's almost more than 1,000 kilometers since he did the lubing. So it's an excellent product, and these guys are the only ones who have it. So anyways, the link to the shop, everything is down below. You can get in touch with them. They also ship it to your city, and it's very cheap. The MRP of each can is like $150, and you can lube your chain twice, thrice, if you're lucky, even 4 times. So just left the shop, and I forgot to turn the camera on because I was greeting them, and we were just they were just wishing me luck for the ride and everything. Very sweet chaps, Aditya and Alok bhai. So I got my chain lubed, and bike feels smooth already. Let's hit the highway and see how it is. And he says it's gonna last, even water and all can't disturb it. It's like a white layer on the chain, and it's quite reasonable also compared to Motul. So I think I'm gonna go through the Satara Ghat, the Satara road, which is up ahead. Leaving the city and getting onto the Satara Ghat road. As they said, the road condition is, this is bringing me back memories of the Solapur road. This is the Ghat section to go through. I don't remember the name, which connects you to the highway of the Hubli road, the Belgaum road. I think I'll keep the camera off because I'll be abusing a lot looking at the condition of the road, and turn it on when the road improves. I just didn't realize it, but it's like I just left the city and got onto a ghat. So Pune has a ghat like 5 minutes away, and if the college kids bunk and all, they can ghat section, हाँ घाट से यहीं जाके आ जाएंगे, चलो बीच यहीं से 200 किलोमीटर जाके आ जाएंगे, चलो. Lucky people. रोड़ा अच्छे डाल दिया तो गैड्स. अल्लाह ताला मेरी दुआ कबूल कर ली है. The roads are good now. India is beautiful. That is Pune city. Inside there, and we're just climbing up. I don't know why we're climbing up though. Oh, gads! I see a tunnel. You know what a tunnel calls for? A small wheelie. Hey. मैं लद्दाख गया तो क्या होता कि मेरा. So now we are on National Highway 48, and we have to go straight for 93 kilometers to get to Satara, and it reminds me of Sail Al Kabir. So back at the garage, Aditya was telling me that there's gonna be a lot of diversions and the road is gonna be a bit bad till Satara, and I told him, Baigan, हैदराबाद से शोलापुर चलाए बाद चीज रहती होंगी. टोल बूथ कमिंग अप हर जगह. रोड़ा बाद में बनाते, पहले टोल बूथा मिटा देते. There is a lot of wind blast on this road. I don't know why, I don't know how, but there's a lot and lots of wind blast. Like I feel the bike's been powered down. It's that bad. Hey. I haven't had so much fun on any highway till now. Short-lived though. Yeah, road है boss. Pune Satara road. Lovely. And that too, there are diversions and all because they are making it even better. And there are some patches which need some work, but I'd say the work is going excellent. Arey auto! Now this is like icing on the cake. Crazy. Look at that, boss. I mean, you could shoot a James Bond scene here, you know, like they're shooting from this bridge and they're going with jet skis and all jumping. Look at that and look at that. Pah. Mat. Undoubtedly one of the best roads I've been to till now. क्या रोड है बॉस और क्या व्यू है. I had planned to go to Bangalore from Mumbai because one, the road from Mumbai to Hyderabad was bad, and two, I had to give my sister a surprise. She was upset that I was roaming around everywhere and I didn't come to see her even for her birthday. So I thought I'll just go to Gokarna, take a halt in Gokarna because non-stop Bangalore would be too much, and Gokarna is like 150 kilometer diversion. नहीं गए तो बेइज्जती की बात है वो. वहाँ तक जाके वहाँ तक जा रहे सोता गोकर्णा भी देख लेंगे बोल के. I'll halt in Gokarna for a day or two and then proceed to Bangalore. But the Bangalore trip is supposed to be a secret. Going there to surprise my sister and then head back to Hyderabad from there. I am loving it. I am loving every bit of it. Imagine coming to this road on the ZX14R. वाह 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 बहुत डाल दे सकते ना भाई ये रोड पे. It's like the roads are gonna be like this all the way till God knows where. I'm enjoying. The first time I feel like should have been on a liter class and not on a 600. So the roads are so awesome that I'm gonna just stop here, click a picture. I don't usually stop on highways, but this has to be one of the most craziest roads I've ridden on in India. I mean, just look at it. I just hope it doesn't get fucked up in between. There are diversions here and there, but they are much more manageable, and that's for improving the roads. Diversions bhi 2 lane ke hai. This is a 3 lane that is total 6 lanes. Loving it, boss. So the 3 lane through the Ghats has begun, and I already conquered the first corner successfully. Hi. This is one road that should be on everyone's bucket list. Lovely. Just entering the Ghats now. This is what I call a Ghat section. Three lane roads, that too one way 3 lane. So the descent road is entirely different. The route itself is different. This is just for the uphill traffic. Fuck! Crazy! This is gonna be exciting. So they were both saying work in progress. So if this is work in progress, I'm just itching to know what the final product's gonna look like. I mean, this is beautiful. Imagine coming down here on a Super Sport 600. You're gonna have the time of your life. थोड़े जगह गड़े है, but it's manageable, dude. You can go from anywhere because it's essentially a one way and no one's gonna come from the opposite side. Barrels. Okay, landslides. I think landslides. To be honest, I never knew roads like these even existed in India. Okay. You all know I'm basically a stunt rider and I don't tour much, but now I've recently started because maza lag gaya wo cheez ka. And boy oh boy, this is lovely. Yeah, work in progress. I think they were talking about this. They are widening the road up even more. Coming, you know, I'll come here again after a year or two. I'm sure it's gonna be explosive. Look at the view. Power Drift must have done a shoot here. That is why इतने subscriber हैं, इतने views. That is why excellent locations, excellent shooting. और क्या होना public mad. So it's like you've seen the ghats and then you get these kind of straight roads. Full Saudi Dubai feels when it comes to roads. Lovely. Now the reason I don't really compare, I just give an example of the roads, is because I've driven a lot in Saudi Arabia. And even when I was a kid, my mom and dad used to travel a lot with me. I mean, me and my sister. So I think it just came to me from them. So I remember the roads there. That's why. So Wasim Bhai just called me. Wasim Bhai, Nikhil's friend, saw my picture and he was like, "How are you enjoying the road and all?" And he gave me a very important bit of information. He was like, the pumps on these roads close up a bit earlier than usual. So he said, make sure you have full fuel at all times, especially before dark. That's an important bit of information. And this road just keeps getting better and better. Rock sliding zone, go slow is what the board said. Let's look at this. गौर से देखिए इस पहाड़ को. Damn. Some next level shit, bro. Like that rock reminds me of that rock in GTA, and a lot of it. Somewhere in America there's a rock like that, but with a hole in between. You know what I'm talking about, right? That big rock. No, Yosemite National Park? I'm not sure. Anyways, I see hillside resto with Punjabi Chinese, like CHAI knees, and some other stuff. Thali, eggs thali, chicken thali, mutton thali, thali. Let's grab something to eat and fuck off.